Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a makeover in our small office space using leftover plywood and bed slats. As usual, I started off by cutting all the wood I needed for this project. Plywood for shelves and bed slats for an additional worktop. We painted everything with 2 coats of white paint and sanded them with a fine 180 grit sandpaper. For the shelf edge, I used leftover pine timber from our headboard project. I made sure they are lined up nicely and nailed it to the plywood shelf. Then I screwed the brackets where I wanted the shelf to be. Since this is a brick wall, I used wall plugs. I always wanted to have a wireless charger built into my desk, so this was the perfect time to finally make it happen. I marked where my charger was going to be placed on the bottom of the desk and I covered it with tape. Then I slowly started to route out the area, made sure that I did not go over because I wanted a tight fit. I removed the smaller pieces and fine-tuned the circle with chisel. All I needed now is a channel for the cable that connects the charger to my computer. After a final check, I secured the charger to the desk with a piece of metal strip. When this was done, I moved to the next desk, which is the desktop. My desk had awfully thick legs, so I got rid of them and then made it a floating desk. I placed pieces of wood around the wall. These are going to be the support for the desk, and I needed a strong support for the center to avoid any bending. I found this round-shaped, very sturdy pole that was perfect for this. I had to cut out this shape on the supports on both sides. Using my jigsaw, this was a very easy job. With that done, the support was ready all the way around. I used the same pole to make the only leg my desk will have and a flange to avoid the leg from sliding. I had to make the leg slimmer to fit in the flange. I've done it with the rasp. Then I repainted the leg. I placed brackets on the support around. With these I was able to screw my desk from the bottom, leaving no marks or screw heads on the top. I also wanted to get rid of my audio interface from the desk, so I built a small box for it, which I could attach to the wall. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We upload new content every Friday. If you like our videos, please leave a comment, share and like it. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be in the description and pinned comment below. Finally, I wanted to have an extra workspace, so we both can work at the same time. I used 18mm plywood for the top and bottom, 9mm for the shelf, and bed slats that we had from our previous bed for the sides of the unit. First, I cut out the legroom of the bottom part. Since the jigsaw made some chipping on the plywood, we made sure to sand and give another coat of paint before finishing them with poly. Then I started to assemble. The side where the shelf will be, I attached to a sheet of plywood using nails. It made it look the same on the inside. We didn't bother to paint on the outside as it will be covered by the bed slats. The nails help me to build the whole structure. I did made it stronger with brackets and screws from the bottom. As a final step, I placed wheels on it so we can easily move it when it's needed. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss our next video. Leave a comment and a like, it's a big help to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can be the first to take a sneak peek at our upcoming projects.